This is Optimal Health Daily, episode 1955. Top New Year's Resolutions for a Healthy Life by Josh Anderson of DIYactive.com. And I'm Dr. Neil Malik. Welcome back to another episode of Optimal Health Daily. This is where I read to you from some of the best health and fitness blogs on the web, kind of like an ongoing audiobook, and always with a bit of my commentary at the end. Well, it's the 1st of December, which means if you haven't started thinking about your New Year's resolution yet, it's probably going to happen sooner rather than later. Now, the title of today's article may sound like it's going to talk about the same old resolutions we hear year after year. Come on, you know me better than that. I want to give you new information. And today's author, Josh, has created a list of unique but actionable resolutions. So listen on as we get right to the post and as we optimize your life. Top New Year's Resolutions for a Healthy Life by Josh Anderson of DIYactive.com. Must make resolutions. Aim to be healthy. First of all, where did the year go? Let's get serious about this upcoming year. No more quitting before reaching your goals. No more quitting when it gets hard. No more giving up on your dreams. This is going to be a new year. This is a new opportunity for a brand new you. This is the year where you get healthy, physically and mentally. Here are 10 must-make resolutions for this new year. Must-make resolutions. 1. Stay active 45 minutes a day. Being healthy doesn't mean exercising for 30 minutes and then not leaving the couch for the remainder of the day. If you really want to accelerate your results, you need to stay active at least 45 minutes a day on top of your exercise. It doesn't have to be normal exercise either. It can be hiking, raking leaves, shoveling snow, playing with your kids, and even walking. In fact, briskly walking uphill for 45 minutes can have you burning over 450 extra calories. And for those trying to lose weight, that's huge. Being active every day needs to be at the top of your list of habits to form this new year. 2. Consume more fiber and water. This is one of the must-make resolutions you need to constantly be thinking about. Snacking is the downfall of many people's weight loss efforts. Next time that hunger urge hits, fill up on fiber and water. Fiber-dense foods and water will keep you full longer, resulting in less snacking. For water, take your body weight in pounds and divide by 2. Aim to drink that many ounces a day. Likewise, fiber plays a role in blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and even your immune system. Try to consume at least 14 grams of fiber per 1,000 calories you consume daily, or if you don't want to do the math, around 28 grams each day is a pretty good estimate. 3. Be office healthy. Your office is where you probably spend the majority of your day. These 8 hours of sitting can lead to your core going soft. A way to remember to get up, stretch, or even drink water is to set some alarms on your phone every 60 minutes that will tell you to get up to do just that. Every time the alarm sounds, it will remind you to get up and stretch, or walk down the hall and grab some water, or go use the restroom, or go bother the person in the next cubicle. Anything to get you up and moving periodically. 4. Get more sleep. This is a must for the new year if you're serious about your health, because it's commonly overlooked. Sleep is vital. It helps with muscle growth, improves your cognitive functions, fortifies your immune system, helps with body weight maintenance, and is easily the best natural way to get over a common cold. So this new year, make sure not to overlook your shut-eye. 5. Strength train. Maybe my favorite of the must-make resolutions. This is only the 2900th time I've mentioned this in the past year. Strength training is absolutely vital for improving your strength, building muscle, burning calories, improving your cardiovascular health, increasing bone density, improving your overall quality of life, and so on. This is especially true for older individuals because it can help fight off osteoporosis and improve functional strength. This day-to-day strength helps improve your quality of life and lets you maintain your independence longer. So the next time you hit the gym this new year and the cardio machines are simply packed, chuckle to yourself and head on over to the free weights. 6. Eat more greens and protein. When it comes to nutrition, if you only change one thing this year, make sure to eat more quality green veggies and protein. Supplementing more of these nutritional gold mines in place of highly processed foods can really help you improve your overall health. Try to eat half of each meal in veggies and a third in quality proteins. When it comes to veggies, stick to non-starchy ones, meaning the ones you can eat raw, like spinach, broccoli, carrots, and so on. And when it comes to quality protein, aim for foods like fish and chicken. Replace those processed foods with all natural ones and watch your health improve. 7. Chew slower. This year, eat more slowly. This can help you enjoy your food more, improve your digestion, decrease your risk of choking, which is always good, and help you manage your weight. By chewing slowly, your mind and stomach stay in sync and know when you are full. When you wolf down your food, you actually can overeat before your brain catches up to the fact that stuffed, bloated, OMG, I'm going to burst feeling. So chew a bit slower this upcoming year. 8. Live in the moment. This new year, go healthy, but don't go overboard. Don't get hung up on eating exactly 1,400 calories each day. Don't hate yourself if you miss a workout. That type of commitment is great, but it can start to get in the way of your day-to-day life. This year, skip a workout to go hiking, or skip a workout to kayak, skip a workout to go fishing, skip a workout to play backyard football. You can skip workouts if you're still planning on being active. This will help you live in the moment. It's okay to live to work out, but more importantly, work out to live. 9. Control your weekends. Weekends are another infamous diet killer. Working your butt off all week to lose 2 pounds only to gain 3 over the weekend drives a person absolutely insane. If you're serious about losing weight, then you must live it 7 days a week, not just 5. Sure, you must unwind during the weekend, but that doesn't mean we need to go crazy. As with all things nutrition, remember moderation. Have a plan going into each weekend, find some friendly allies to help you along the way, and make healthy choices. And 10, love yourself. This is definitely one of the must-make resolutions. Being physically stronger than the Hulk is useless if you're mentally weak. This year, try to love yourself more and be gentle with yourself. Living healthy isn't a sprint that needs to be completed in a month or even a year. It's a lifestyle. Find a workout and nutrition plan that fits your lifestyle. Likewise, remember to constantly be positive and personally build your own confidence. Constantly tell yourself, I can do this. I will reach my goals. I am capable of great things. If you tell yourself those things often enough, you'll eventually start to believe it. This newfound confidence can propel you to heights you've only dreamed of. Wrap up. This new year, it's time to implement gentle, sustainable goals and practices that will help set you up for a great life. A healthy lifestyle is all about the little things: water, fiber, sleep, digestion, staying active, eating natural foods, and loving yourself. Just remember, if you set your mind to it, truly commit, and believe in yourself, then you can achieve anything. We believe in you. You just listened to the post titled Top New Year's Resolutions for a Healthy Life by Josh Anderson of DIYactive.com. Dr. Neil here for my commentary. I was watching reruns of the sitcom Friends the other day. Big surprise, right? I feel like I quote that show on this podcast at least once a week. Anywho, I was watching the episode where the gang comes up with New Year's resolutions. Ross's resolution was to try something new every day. This unfortunately led to him trying to wear leather pants. Things went awry very, very quickly for him. But, more importantly, I cringed a bit at his resolution, because when he said every day, that actually sounded like a lot to me. Meaning, what happens if you miss trying something new just for one day? Is the resolution now completely over? Do you quit? Or if you miss a day, do you have to try 2 new things the next day? What if you don't try something new for a week? What happens then? You can start to see how this could easily spiral into a resolution that's never fulfilled. Don't get me wrong, it's important to set goals for ourselves, but the goals need to be realistic too. As I was reading today's article and the list of resolutions you could try, I'm hoping you didn't feel overwhelmed or intimidated by all these suggestions. The key is to just pick 1, maybe 2 at the most to try. I would not recommend trying all of these all at once. As I was reading, which one caught your attention? Which one made you stop and think, ooh, I like that idea? Well, then that's the one you start with. Oh, and nobody's going to blame you if you don't wait until the new year to actually get started. You can start today if you want. All right, that'll do it for today. I'll be back here tomorrow for our usual Friday Q&A, so definitely stay tuned for that, where your optimal life awaits.